He was just an average guy until his truck broke down in the middle of a raging Alaskan blizzard. No signal, no help, just snow and silence. With only a granola bar, a lighter, and his parka, he dug a shelter in the snow. He melted ice for water using a tin cup and body heat. Wolves circled nearby every night, and temperatures dropped to -30 degrees Fahrenheit. On day 7, a rescue team spotted smoke from his tiny fire. He survived with frostbite, but alive. Would you survive a week like this? Check out our survival gear pics below, just in case.